can choose the microphone.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to the channel. So this is my first live stream. So how do I share my screen right now? Like I'll be back, guys. This is the live. This is a live chat. As you can see, guys, this is a live chat. So let me go ahead and remove this stuff. So basically, what I'll be showing you guys today is on how to um analyze gold. Let's go on a clean chart. I see USD. Yeah, I say USD. Let's go on IC market. So this is a clean chart right now. So I'm showing you guys on how to, you know, analyze gold fast. So first of all, you have to go to your daily time frame. Go to your daily time frame and you plot out psychological levels, support and resistance levels. But for me, I go to this chart, this line chart, mark out levels. As you can see, these levels is always respected. Again, you bring out the two again. Look for a level that is always respected. As you can see here, that touch, 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 and here again. So you look for other levels. For example, here is also valid. Here is also valid. So when we are done with that, we you go to candlestick chart. We check for trend line bounces. For example, you can draw this trend line here and it. As you can see, this is a perfect trend line. This is a perfect trend line. Remember not to force any trend line. So as you can see, the market is pulling down to, touch this point, something like that. So let us go to lower time frame. In 4 hour time frame, you can also recognize some levels. Here you can map it out. For example, at this point, it's also valid at this point. Let's leave that for now. Go to your 30 minutes time frame. But before that, you need to recognize the trend. As you can see, it has been an uptrend for a long time, but I think it's about to hit this point here. Hit this point here. As you can see, it has passed this resistance and support level, so it could be planning to touch this head now before it goes to the upside. So one more thing you have to do, put in your chart, is this RSI. As you can see, it's almost overbought, so it's a kind of trying to give us this double bottom here before we can be looking for a buy signal. So another thing that is very important is you going to forex factory to check news. Absolutely important. Absolutely important. So this website is where you see all the news about anything forex. So, but this website is not very important as a trader. So what you have to do is to use this website, MetaMine. Just search your MetaMine and you find it. Let me go and share screen. Yeah. So we are now sharing the screen. So this is where you see the news of the day. This is 25th July 2025. So there's no news impact that will happening today. So let's go back. So we are not interested in fundamentals, anything fundamentals today. Today is just technical analysis. So we go back to our chat. Let me share the screen again. I don't know why it goes up. Yeah. So one more thing you have to put in your trade is the beginning of the day. Beginning of the day. For example, today started by 1 and you put your horizontal line there also, so that whenever price touches it, crosses or bounce on it, you got to go in for a buy or sell. Another thing, do the same thing for the month and do the same thing for the week. So this is a basic strategy that you add to your confluence that always work. So let me go back to that my chart. Market is about to cross this level. It might be trying to cross this level as I can see now, and maybe I'm going in for a sell right here. Let me check. This is overbought. This is overbought. Uh, let me see. Let me see how price behaves at that point. Let me see the behavior of price here. Let me see the behavior of price at this point because it's looking very attractive for a sell. A sell opportunity right there. Maybe a quick scalp, a quick sell scalp. Let me scalp this live with you guys. This is my MT5. This is my MT5. As you can see, um, I can see a weak rejection at that point. That's a good weak rejection at that point. So we can't go in for a buy now at that weak rejection. The momentum is high. See the 1 minute candle. Remember, don't force any trade. Don't force any trade. You just hold on and let the market do its thing before you enter. So you can't just enter this trade now because at that level it's a resistance. I mean, it's a trend line bounce, and also the RSI is very down and it's giving us a massive. Oh, I'm on GBP USD all this time. Ah, shit. What is happening? So that was on GBP USD. So we are back on our charts, and I love trading SAUSD and then um GU, sometimes GU. So that's it about this. So you guys have must have get one or two from this. Remember to subscribe and turn on notification. And again, let's grow together. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Yeah. I thought that was on SAUSD. I would have gone for a position, but this is um gold on chart. So as you can see, it's the same thing with what you are seeing here on my screen. So it's the same thing. So I'm ending this live session by 12 minutes. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I love you guys.